in
Hinesview Park. There's a horse.
we are in Mines View Park and there's a horse here, so
Actually,
cute.
there are two.
I just hope the horse is nice. Parang ang white naman ng horse, ang tisoy. How are you?
Yellow. It's a yellow. It's yellow.
Yellow? Hindi, parang siyang pinkish nga yun. Tino mo yun.
Yellow yung kulay.
Oh, really? Parang tisoy-tisoy mo naman. Parang may albino or something.
Albino yan.
No, albino, no? Tisoy-tisoy niya. Ang cute. There's another horse. Sayang wala si Vice. Vice ganda. Ito si Whiskey. Is it Whiskey? Oh, Whiskey. This is Barry. Hi, Barry. How are you? Cute. Okay, we have to go up there. I'm gonna show you what do they have in Mines View Park.
This is the exit, not the entrance.
This is the exit?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, sorry. We have to go to the other side. Because he said that it's the exit. So, this is the entrance. Oh my god, that's so scary. I told you I have like phobia. Not phobia, but
Heights.
yeah. Kind of like afraid of heights.
If it's
That's the reason why I want to do skydiving because I'm afraid of heights.
If it's phobia, then you should be like deadly scared of it.
Yeah, but I still want to do skydiving. Wow. We haven't been in Baguio for 4 years. So this is the only. Ooh, that one. Look. It's so hot. So many people. So, it's so high.
I don't know. It is. The highest point I saw in the mountain is that one.
Is that the Cordillera ranges? Mountain ranges?
I don't know.
Mountain range?
Yeah, I don't know. No idea about this place that much because we don't come here that often. It's like it's been like our third time.
I don't know. I forgot. Parang ganda ng view, no? Doon. Parang may mga fog.
It's hot.
But it's not so cold, no?
But I'm kind of hot right
It's because it's March.
now. I told you this place should be wearing a jacket for like the whole day.
Oh yeah, you can remove it later. Later na, anak.
It's too hot. I'm sweating
Sweating? Okay.
internally.
Okay, but you have to like hold it.
Yeah, I will hold it, but I don't want to wear it.
Okay. What's that highest mountain over there? Look, oh, parang taas.
Yeah, I told you that's the one I'm talking about. That's the highest point of the place. Finally done. This feels better.